Now, the ancient Egyptian numeral system was base 10, but was not positional. And by that, what I mean is that the position of the numbers did not affect the value. So the hieroglyphs represent powers of 10, could be placed in any order, horizontally or vertically. And the lowest symbol is a 1 that was basically represented by a stick, much as they are today. A 10 was a heel bone, so essentially an upside down U shape. 100 is a coiled rope. 1,000 is a lotus flower. 10,000 is the pointing finger, so kind of like a stick, but thicker and more of a fingery kind of shape to it. 100,000, it could be a frog, could be a fish. That represents 100,000. And the largest we'll look at is the 1 million, which was the man in awe or the amazed person. Now, the Egyptian symbol system was additive, which basically means that the symbols were written to represent the number and you simply just add them together. So, for example, the number 2,465, I would have 2,000s, which was the lotus flowers, plus 4 coiled ropes, so plus 400, plus the 6 heel bones, so plus 60, plus the 5 sticks, 2,465. And the system was not positional. Again, the position position that the symbols are written in doesn't matter. All that matters was how many of each shape and what type of shapes did you have. So, for example, the following ways both represent the number 433, though the first way is a lot easier to read than the second. And that there are 4 coiled ropes, so that's 400, plus 3 heel bones, plus 3 sticks. A little harder to read in the second way. Typically, the numbers are written in an organized way, just because it's just much easier to read. And if there are many copies of one symbol, then they may be written in 2, sometimes more rows. So, for example, 132,405 can be written this way. So, the frog is the 100,000. The 3 fingers is 30,000. The 2 lotus flowers are 2,000. And now we have 4 coiled ropes, so that's 400, and then 5 sticks. And here's some artwork on the ancient wall at Kam Ambo. And this looks like a calendar. For instance, this symbol right here looks to be 26. The one below that is 27. Probably this one here is 25. So this is probably like a calendar where that big oval shape is that represents days. Ignoring the upper right symbol, so let's kind of ignore this one right here. What is this number? Well, the man in awe is 1 million, or the amazed man is 1 million. And then 3 frogs is 300,000. Here you have the 3 pointing fingers, so that's 30,000. 3 lotus flowers. 3 coiled ropes. 3 heel bones, and then 1 stick. So it looks like this is 1,333,331. And I think that symbol in the upper right just represents the number of days. Not sure the context. Okay, practice a little bit more for this one. Part A, 2 lotus flowers is 2,000, and then a heel bone is 10, and 4 sticks, so 2,014. For B, 3 pointing fingers, so that's 30,000 plus the 4,000, so 34,000 for the lotus flowers. 2 coiled ropes, 4 heel bones, and 3 sticks. So 34,243. We have 2 of these amazed men's, so 2 million. And then for the thousands, I have 3 frogs, so that's 300,000. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pointing fingers, and 2 lotus flowers. Looks like that's it. So 2,372,000 even. Now, if I want to try to add, it's kind of nice with Roman numerals and with Egyptian numerals, because I have 4 coiled ropes, I have a 5th coiled rope. So if I'm adding them together, I just put 5 coiled ropes together. Here I have 6 heel bones, and here I have 7 of them. So altogether, I can think of this as 13 of these heel bones. So 13 of these heel bones, that's the same thing as 1 coiled rope and 3 heel bones. So I can replace 10 of those heel bones with a coiled rope. So I'll add another coiled rope and put 3 heel bones. And then finally I have 4 sticks here and 3 more. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 637.